Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get Mint mobile bill statement. So, you either open the Mint mobile app or website. So go ahead and do that. It's mintmobile.com for the website. You just log in with your phone number and password, and if it's the first time, you'll need to verify your number via text. Then, you need to navigate to your account dashboard. Okay, then look for the billing or payment section, and you just tap on that to see your recent payments and transaction history. Now, to download that, okay, so under the billing section, you tap on the most recent transaction or payment date, and you'll actually see an invoice or receipt with payment details. And just go ahead and tap on download, or you can go ahead and take a screenshot for your records, and you can even convert that into a PDF. Okay, easy to convert an image to a PDF. And also, guys, as a bonus tip, you'll actually also receive a billing confirmation via email every time you renew your plan. So check your inbox or spam folder for a more detailed invoice. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.